230 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of cornstarch, 50 grams of sugar, 250 milliliters of water. Martabak manis, wih, enak tenan. One egg, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, Do you know, guys, that this sweet taste cake is often identified as the right culinary for prospective in-laws? However, do you know the true history of this food, guys? No? Let me tell you the resume of liputan6.com. It was said that this martabak manis is a typical food of Bangka Belitung created by residents of Chinese descent. The original name of this food is Hoklopan, which means cake of Hoklo people. But in the past, Hoklopan sprinkles used to be just sugar and toasted sesame. But today you can find a variety of martabak manis flavors that suit to your taste. Not only a sprinkling of chocolate, nuts and cheese, but also you can enjoy martabak manis with unique flavors such as green tea, blueberries, Oreo cheese, and red velvet. These varieties of toppings are ready to make the sweet taste explode in the mouth from the first bite. And the fragrant and tempting dough certainly make this martabak manis as a favorite snack for many people. And over time, this cake is increasingly known to many people and spread to outside the city of Bangka. Hoklopan was then known as the light of the moon because of its round shape and yellow color. And as you know, along with the development of the times, martabak manis has various flavors that are appetizing and more delicious. Interestingly enough, and for your information, you should know that martabak manis also has many names in Indonesia. And even once there was a clash on social media between Indonesian netizens with the Malaysians who claimed on their own. Initially, I was curious why Semarang residents called this martabak manis as Bandung cake. It turns out that when a Bangka resident migrated to Semarang, where he sold this martabak manis next to a Bandung noodle seller. And for this reason, this delicious food is called Bandung cake. In Pontianak, this martabak manis is called Apam Pinang. Meanwhile, the people of Medan call it martabak Bangka. One of the other facts about this martabak manis is this kind of cuisine also exists in Malaysia, which they call it apam balik. But still, there is no clear explanation or any evidence that can prove the origin of this cake. Hopefully, both the information and recipe are helpful and useful to you.